Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aries, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Aries. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. Aries. If you want more clarity in your circumstances, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So, let's start with these cards here. We have Star, Ace of Earth, and Eight of Fire. So, with these cards in your circumstances today, guys, Aries, maybe in your work or in your relationship, you are feeling really cheerful, confident, and Aries, you are a person courageous and determined. So, whatever your circumstances may be, you have that confidence and willpower, and you are dedicated in your work, and the same way, even in this relationship, you are someone really loyal and trustworthy. And you work hard, make a lot of efforts in your career situation, guys, and that may be the reason success is coming towards you no matter what. There may be some difficulties in your situation, some challenges you are seeing, but your determination, your efforts and talents are the reason for you to see some new beginning, some hopeful new beginning coming in your circumstances, guys, and you're feeling really cheerful, confident by the way things are going. And even in this relationship, maybe with this person you love, you are cheerful, happy, and you have a good understanding. You love each other, you respect each other. So, mutual love, respect, and caring is there in this connection, guys. And you understand this person very well. This person, whatever their likes or dislikes, or whatever are their goals and desires, you know everything, and you try to help them towards their goals and dreams, guys, and you want them to achieve. So you are a very kind and compassionate person, understanding and helpful, and maybe that may be the reason with this person you are moving towards some positive change, guys. Some deep commitment may come up. So you are planning for a wedding, or you are planning to get engaged. So some positive changes are happening, and that is gaining momentum. Your love is gaining momentum today, guys, and you feel really positive with this person, cheerful, confident, and things are going in a positive way in this connection, Aries. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. It's Four of Air. So with this card, guys, it just means that you are seeing that clarity. Maybe, guys, today you are healing, maybe. So all that past, maybe you would have seen many difficult circumstances, and you are happy for this present relationship, this level of understanding and happiness you see with this person. Or maybe for some of you, with this person you would have had a lot of challenges, but today things are going in a peaceful manner. Maybe you are happy, content. But we were speaking about marriage or commitment. Maybe you were thinking of marriage or commitment. But you need to give yourself some time, guys. You need to take care of yourself. Maybe this may be the time of healing. This may be the time you are back with them, and you need to give them time to heal so that you can understand each other, guys. So maybe if you are in separation from this person, I see reconciliation is a definite thing for you guys. But if you are already in a connection, maybe you would have had some troubles, but you are healing from it and you can be happy for it, Aries. So for your career situation, guys, it is World. So with this card, you have that sense of satisfaction, contentment and joy. You feel complete. Maybe the choices you have made is the right choice for you in your career. Things are going in a positive way, guys, and you do not have any fear because you are moving towards your destiny or whatever is supposed to come towards you. So positive destiny is unfolding in your career situation, Aries. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, Aries. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Aries. For your love reading, guys, today we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card for those who chose this card. The first card, it is Sleeping Beauty, Awakening. So with this card, guys, in your circumstances today, maybe you may have someone really close to you, someone truly concerned about your welfare, but they are holding some truth from you. They are not telling you something. It may be something important, something vital in your life's journey. But they are doing it out of love for you. They are concerned about you and they don't want to cause any pain for you. But no matter what, this secret itself is going to take you into some difficult circumstance, guys, but you need not worry because you will be coming out of it successfully. So you just have to have that courage in your heart, and when you come out of this difficult situation, you will have people supporting you, maybe even during the ordeal you are going to face, maybe in your life today. There are some challenging situations, but you need not worry. You will have the people you love with you, and you will see a way out of this difficult circumstance today, guys. And these people will be able to help you and guide you, so you need not worry. And this card just means that you are on the path to some kind of a very greater understanding, something like an awakening. So it may be a spiritual change you are seeing in your heart, or some kind of an emotional change. So that gives much clarity in your thoughts and actions. That is what is coming towards you. So you can be happy for that. And maybe through these circumstances, you are going to get that chance for a better, a clearer mind today, guys. So that is what I see with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this second card, it is commitment. So with this card, guys, the energy is that in our life, in our day-to-day life, we just we just see our circumstances going in such a way, but we should not try to understand it, guys. Maybe we must try to trust the changes happening in our life. So you will be seeing challenges in your personal transformation that is happening right now. So you need not try to create or take the steps needed, control the way things are going, maybe the map of the journey or the terrain of your journey. You just need to take simple steps today. So, however life is unfolding in front of you, you must embrace it with open arms, with that open heartedness, and simply embracing it just like a child with curiosity. So you need not have that fear or desire to bend your life according to your will. That will be an unnecessary battle today, guys. So whatever is unfolding is what is your life's journey, and that divine will is working with your heart, your soul. So whatever is your soul's journey, that is what is unfolding in your physical world today, guys. So you just have to have that trust in yourself and take that simpler steps. Move along in your life step by step, and that divine will is moving you, and the fulfillment of your destiny is what is happening today, guys. So life is not working in a cross purpose with you. It is the co-conspirator of your heart. So if you want that harmony, balance today in your circumstances, that peace and stillness, happiness, you just need to be aware of your present and embrace it with commitment from your heart, and take one step at a time. So that is going to make things easier for you, and that is the right way, and that will be the right way your life, your beautiful destiny will unfold in front of you, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. I hope you like this reading. If you do, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys, what you feel about this reading. I will see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.